We get the first CAD renders for the Galaxy S10 that show us the device in its full glory, and boy, it looks good. It looks like Samsung is beating Huawei to the punch in the hole in the display race after all, and Sony just published some weird patents for a foldable smartphone. I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting live from Maui for the Qualcomm Snapdragon Summit 2019. There are 3 days of hot announcements. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for iPads, that 9.7-inch model, which is not necessarily the best iPad in the world, but good enough for a lot of uses, is currently $40 off in retailers like Amazon and B&H. Obviously, this is the 32 gig variant, which, yeah, it's kind of limited, but you can learn more about it in the description. Now, for those of you that have been waiting for AirPods, I am not going to buy a first pair of AirPods until second generation comes out. And according to Ming-chi Kuo, this is going to happen in the first, I would say, quarter of 2019. We're going to have to wait for that. And apparently it's not going to get redesigned. It's just changes and updates. If you want to get a redesign for the AirPods that I would actually like, that's going to be 2020. Now let's talk about Sony. The company has just patented certain designs for foldable smartphones in the weirdest way possible, which is a vertical fold. I assume that you want to make like a clamshell smartphone, and then there are some, I don't know what you would call that, transparent displays that could get stacked up together. Like whatever it is that you're thinking, Sony, can't wait to see something cool. Now let's move the spotlight over to the battle between which company punches a hole on a screen first, as we thought that it was going to be Huawei with the Nova 4. No, that event is apparently until December 17th. It seems that Samsung is going to have their event for the Galaxy A8s on December 10th. So I don't know who's going to beat who to the market when it comes to the launch time frame, but yeah, punch a hole on the screen of your phone. That's going to be a thing, it seems. And finally, the hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S10 and an even larger hole in the display. We've got CAD renders of the possible final design, and this looks legit. 3 cameras at the back. Apparently this is the S10 Plus, so 3 cameras at the back in an array that looks like the Galaxy Note 8. I love that design. And then we've got in the front 2 cameras in a punch hole that's even larger. I thought they said that it was going to be smaller. But anyways, the punch hole's there. The fingerprint scanner is apparently going to be on the display because it's nowhere else. We've got a headphone jack. That is cool. Let us know in the comments, what do you think? Do you like this possible design or not? Because in my case, you know, I want to know how they're going to pull off that punch hole on the side, but I'm curious to what ideas you guys bring in the comments. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.